Hello! In front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A51. Today I'll show you all unlock methods. Let's go to Settings, Lock Screen and Screen Lock Type. So here we've got Swipe, Pattern, PIN, Password and None. None and Swipe are no security lock. Let's proceed to Pattern. Now, PIN. And password. For different types of unlocks, we've got face and fingerprints. Let's begin with face. Confirm and scan your face. And now, to unlock your phone, show your face to front camera. And now it's unlocked. And the last way to unlock your phone is fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor at the bottom of the screen. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.